Okay, this is Lilac, and she has our best tasting milk and the nicest udder. She also has horns. So we need to put this PVC across the base of her horn so that she can't push her head through a cow panel, and we need to put soft balls on the ends of her horn so that she can't hurt the other goats. So she hasn't been in the garage a whole lot, so she's a little snorty. So this is PVC, and what I have is this glue that actually foams up when wet. So we're going to get her horns a little bit damp. And we've got these 2 balls from the dollar store. I have a little bit of a hole poked in it. So what we're going to do is get her horns just a little bit wet at the tips. I'll try to show you just a little bit, because it's the wet that allows it to bond and expand. So they're just a little bit wet. Okay, it's supposed to be just a thin line, and I don't want it to be exposed enough to hurt her or get in her eyes, so we're not putting a whole bunch on. Can you see that there's just a little bit, just a teeny tiny bit there? You see that?
Yeah.
Let's see. There we go. I can fill it at the back.
She's gonna look like such a clown.
She is, and she doesn't like this very much. Their horns are sensitive. They do have blood vessels and nerves on the inside and everything. So there's those. If I leave it just like that, it will come off because she'll rub it on things. So let's move away from things for her to rub on. And so this is where the duct tape comes in. She doesn't like them touched because they are a part of her.
Sorry guys, my other hand is holding the goat, so I can only video so much.
Try as best you can, but try to stay as focused on it as you can. Hi, Mama. We're going to try really hard not to be invasive and irritating, but it's still probably at least a little bit irritating. It would be like if somebody was like playing with your thumbnails or something. And I have had goats where I did this with their horns before, and it works just fine. And it actually lasted for years. Gotta hold still, Mama. I know you don't want it messed with. And she may be able to just knock these off like the minute we set her out to the pasture, but we have to try.
Hi, sweetie.
I know.
Yeah, you don't like Mom playing with your thumbnails?
No, you're not supposed to get that expanding Gorilla Glue on your skin. I did get a little bit on my skin.
So we'll see if she breaks out.
Well, she will be irritated by it for sure.
Oh, I was talking about you, but
Me?
you said you got on your skin.
Oh, if I break out. I thought you meant if she breaks out of her little horn covers.
Oh. Well, she is now an interesting phenomenon.
I thought the camo was nice. What are you saying?
Oh, it looks fine. It's just she looks like an alien now.
This is the one she probably really won't like, is at the base of her horns, because it does touch her scalp. I got the slimmer tape, and it's also sturdier. I know you're not going to like it. I'm sorry.
Can we get Paige to come out too to hold her head a little bit stiller?
I just don't want her to hate it too much. So the reason we're doing this is so she can't get her head through. Hi, Mama. Yes, I know.
Should I get her some grain?
Do this without just having it be super irritating.
Grain? Hi. How are ya? My luck.